Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Energizer charging station has suddenly started blinking red, it can leave you wondering whether the batteries are charging correctly or if something is stopping the process. Sometimes the light begins blinking right after placing batteries inside, while other times it appears after charging for a while and then unexpectedly changes. A blinking red light can sometimes point to battery placement, contact buildup, charging interruptions, or temperature related behavior that affects normal charging. Before thinking the charger has stopped working properly, there are a few simple things worth checking that may help everything return to normal. Let's go through several easy steps that may help fix an Energizer charging station blinking red. Try these. Step 1. Remove the batteries from the Energizer charging station and place them back carefully to confirm proper alignment. Step 2. Try a different wall outlet for the Energizer charging station to make sure steady power is available. Step 3. Clean the battery contact points inside the Energizer charging station if dust or buildup is visible. Step 4. Let the batteries rest before using the Energizer charging station again if they feel unusually warm or cold. Step 5. Test another compatible battery inside the Energizer charging station to compare charging behavior. Step 6. Watch the light on the Energizer charging station and check if the blinking red pattern changes to normal charging.